Hello everyone. So I'm really happy to announce that many of the stocks that I discussed on this channel 1 year back has already turned into multi-baggers. Some of the names include IRFC, Olectra Greentech, Bharat Electronics, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Solar Industries, Zen Technologies, 63 Moons Technologies and many more. And I'm really glad that my videos were able to help people and people found value with it. So today I am going to discuss about another small cap stock which has the ability to become the next multi-bagger. So this belongs to the chemical sector and it has a market cap of just 1000 crores and it manufactures solvents, PVC, UPVC, CPVC and all this stuff, and it has been helping the construction sector indirectly. So we know that the construction sector in India has a bright future because we are a fast developing country and these small cap stocks actually play a major role. So in this video I am going to do the analysis of the stock. The name of the stock is HP Adhesives. Okay, so this stock jumped around 17% yesterday and it came to my notice and I did the analysis, and here I am posting a video on this stock. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I will do the fundamental analysis, then I will move to the price action analysis, and I will let you know if you can make entry in the stock or not. So let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back once again to Financial Impulse. So this is the company HP Adhesives Limited and you can see all its products in its official website, and they have designed a very beautiful website and it's very responsive. I really like the website and I will share this link in the description section. You can go through it. Okay, now let's quickly go to the fundamentals part. Okay, so this is HP Adhesives Limited and you can see what all things it manufacture here. Just a small key highlight: synthetic rubber, all these things, adhesives and all these products. Okay, you can go through it. I will share this link also, the screener link. You can go through it. Now let's quickly come to the numbers first. Okay, so coming to this place, so the current market price today is 118.90 with a market cap of 1000 crore. Okay, the reserves it has is 139 crore, which is very good in comparison to the market cap. Okay, and the debt it has is just 6.81 crore, that is almost negligible. That's why the debt to equity ratio is fantastic at 0.04%, just very small one. And then the interest coverage ratio is 17, okay, 17.13. the return on asset is 6.23, return on equity 8.29, and return on capital employed is 11.69. okay, so these two numbers might be looking small, but these numbers keep changing, and in future when the stock price will go up, the profit will go up, these numbers will definitely improve. Okay, now coming to current ratio, it is 4.47, and if you compare this ratio, it is the highest one in this sector, in this industries. Okay, no other company is having this high current ratio, which is an excellent number. Anything above 1.5, 1.75, 2 is just fantastic. Okay, operating profit margin is 11.15%, so this is a good number. Okay, and then coming to promoter holding, it is 71.35%. so you can see that the promoter holding is very good. Okay, so 71.35%. Altman Z score is 12.55. okay, this is also an excellent number, so it is telling us that the stock is far away from getting into solvency issue. Okay, and there is no pledging at all, which is another good factor about this company. So the fundamental numbers for this company, the basic ones, are looking pretty strong. No red flags as of now. Okay, now coming to the year-on-year profit and loss statement. So we have the information available from March 2020. So normally we consider the past 3 years, but as we have from March 2020, let's consider all of them. Okay, so we'll get to know the overall picture. So the sales was 85 crore in March 2020, went up to 118, then 165, 233 here, then 235. okay, steadily the sales have been growing. Coming to operating profit, from 4 crores to 12 crores, then it slightly dropped here to 11 crores, mainly due to drop in operating profit margin, but it increased to 19 crores, then 26 crore in trailing 12 months. Okay, and if we consider the operating profit margin, it has been growing since past 3 years. If we consider these three, okay, it has been growing. Okay, 7% to 8%, then to 11%. Now coming to earning per share. So if we consider last 3 years here, okay, we are getting to see the earning per share increasing. So here the company was listed, okay, in 2022. So we should consider after that only, okay, some from 0.65 to 1.18, then to 1.82. So there is a very good increase in the earning per share as well. So there is increase in sales, increasing operating profit, and increasing operating profit margin along with earning per share increase. So everything is looking really good, okay. And if you look at this place, the compounded sales growth, it has been 40% in the past 3 years, and then a compounded profit growth is 63%, and stock CAGR has been growing by 50% in the past 1 year. This data is not available, so it's fine, okay. And return on equity has been 12% in the last 3 years, and last year it has been 8%. Okay, so all these numbers are clearly telling that this small cap company is actually steadily growing, and the fundamentals are good. Mainly it is a debt free company with a good reserve, okay, in comparison to its market size. So all these numbers are looking good. Now let's come to the shareholding pattern. So you can see since the beginning here, December 2021, we are getting steady stake by the promoters. There is no increase or decrease, which is a good thing, okay. And here the FIs were holding a lot of stock, but I'm pretty sure after it got listed, so they reduced, okay. But if you consider the last 3 quarters, you see here it came down to 0.1% here. Sorry, it came up from 0.01 to 0.1% here. So there is increase then to 2.81% and then dropped to 0.71%. So we know that FIs, reduce their stake, they sell their stake in companies during the December quarter, okay, that we know. So that's why this could be the case, and I'm pretty sure going forward, if the company is growing, definitely they are going to increase the stake in the next quarter, okay. And but at the same time, we are seeing that the DIs have increased their stakes from 2.09% to 3.72%, and it has been 3.72% for the past quarter, okay, 2 quarters, okay. There is no major change, okay. And this is a good thing because the DIs are actually seeing, getting more interested in the stock. And if you see from here, initially they were not holding any stake, okay. They directly started increasing the stake from 0.57%, then to 2.09, and then 3.72. So they are now increasing the stake. So this is all about the fundamentals of HP Adhesive. So it is clearly giving us a picture that the company has been steadily growing, and the basic numbers which are essential for a company's stability are correct. There is no major red flag in this company. So to conclude, HP Adhesives is fundamentally strong and it is a growing company, okay, with a decent holdings by the FIs and DIs and strong holding by the promoters. So this is the highlight of HP Adhesive in terms of fundamentals. And if you are watching the video so far and liking it, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such videos. Now let's go to the price action. So this is HP Adhesive in daily time frame. So let me just give you a look first of all in weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame for HP Adhesive, okay. And you can see after getting listed, the stock price was unstable here, okay. Then it did try to break its all-time high, but it could not collapse, and finally it broke its all-time high here. But again it gave a slight pullback, but it was very strong and it did not go down much further. And we can clearly consider this area as the support resistance area, and you can see it ultimately proved that this area is really a strong support, and the stock price went up from there. And if I go to the daily time frame, you will see that this big green candle of yesterday is clearly telling that the big money, the smart money is coming in. Why? You can see the volume. Once I enable it, you can see this big volume bar here, very big volume bar here for this one, okay. And it has broken all its resistance level, the daily time frame resistance level. So how do we know that it has broken its resistance level? We can use the normal pivot points here. You can see it is marking this as the R1. So let me also mark that one. This is the R1, and you can see it has been broken by this big green candle. And in the weekly time frame, if I go to the weekly time frame, so we can use the momentum indicators to see if the stock has actually given a breakout or not. Okay, it will tell us the momentum of the stock. So I'll use the RSI and MACD indicator. Okay, so here it is. You can see during this consolidation phase, you can see the RSI level never dropped below 50. So that is a clear sign that the stock is in strong uptrend. Okay, and there is no sign of weakness. Okay, it gave a big rally here. Okay, which is this one. Okay, then it stabilized around here and stayed above 50. Thus, that's a clear sign that the stock is in strong uptrend. And then now it has gone up above the 60 level. Okay, so that is a clear sign. Now coming to MACD indicator, we are obviously getting to see, one quick crossover here. Okay, the red bars were here, which are very small, telling that the stock is actually getting stronger and stronger, and the bears are not able to bring the price down. The momentum is strong, and here we are getting to see a crossover, which is this one. So all these factors are clearly telling that HP Adhesive has started a long-term uptrend. So the question is, should you make an entry right now? I would say definitely yes, you can make an entry, and this stock has a lot of potential in it, and it could become the next multi-bagger in future. Okay, it's a growing company and the fundamentals are strong with decent holdings by the FIs and DIs. So there is no reason why you should not take a stake in this one. Okay, so and also remember that this is a small cap company, so take the stake accordingly. Okay, do not dump a lot of money into this one, but definitely you should put an amount which should be good enough to give you good returns if it turns into a multi-bagger in future. Okay, all the basic requirements for a company to give you good returns has been fulfilled by this company. Okay, along with price action confirmation. So things are looking good, and that is all about HP Adhesive Limited. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you are finding my videos valuable, and from now on you can join the Financial Impulse community also, to get more insight about more stocks and the market, right? So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.